Dear student of class 7th, today we are going to start a new chapter number 4, creating charts in MS Excel 2007. Now, in this chapter, we are proceeding with the topic chart. Chart are the visual representations of worksheet data. Chart often make it easier to understand the data in a worksheet because user can easily pick out patterns and trends illustrated in the chart that may be otherwise difficult to understand. Charts are the graphical representation of data. We can represent data in Excel worksheet with chart in different form that make us easier to understand the result that is predicted from the data. By showing the data in form of graphical representation, we can easily understand what is the result and what we are going to represent through that data. So chart are the easiest way to understand the result predicted with the help with the data in a worksheet and can easily understand by everyone. Now, the next topic is plot area. Plot area refer to the area of the chart which graphically displayed the data being charted in a spreadsheet. Means the area where chart is graphically represented in Excel worksheet, that area is called the plot area. Now, there are different types of chart that we can draw in Excel, and with the help of that chart we can easily understand the analysis or result of our data. Now, the first one that's shown in this video is line chart. Line chart are used to show data trends over time, especially when many points are there to plot. Each line in graph show the change in the value of one item of data. Means the line chart show the data in on chart in form of a line, and it is drawn by drawing the line that touching the points that represent the value of data on a chart. Next is column chart. Column chart are used to show data in form of columns. Each column represents the value of one item of data. It is also illustrate the change that come in data over period of time. Column chart is the best way to compare between the values of two items. Next, bar chart. Bar chart is similar to a column chart except they run horizontally on the page instead of vertically like column chart. Bar chart is same as column chart. It draw the data in form of columns, but that columns are placed horizontally, whereas in column chart they placed vertically. Next is pie chart. Pie chart represent the data in a circular form, that is called a pie. A pie chart shows the relationship between a whole and a part. In pie chart, a whole circle is divided into different sectors as shown in video. The whole circle is divided in 4 sectors: red, green, blue and yellow, and each sector is proportional to the magnitude of the component it represents. Pie chart is also called circle graph, means each sector in pie chart represent the part of data as compared in proportion to the whole data. Next is area chart. Area chart is similar to line chart. Instead of data point maker, the area beneath the line is filled with the colors, means it is similar to line chart. In line chart, the data are pointed with points and line is drawn matching each point. Similarly, here also data is pointed through points and a line is drawn matching each point, but below the area that is covered by the line is colored with different color to represent different data, and so it covered the area and it is known as area chart. Last one is scattered chart. In this chart, the data is displayed as a collection of points, each having the value of one variable determining the position on the horizontal axis and the value of other variable determining the position on vertical axis. Means it is scattered, name shown as scattered chart, means it is scattered, it is displayed with points that are scattered on the chart area, and each point is shown the data that matching the line with horizontal and vertical values. Now this is about the topics of this chapter. Next topics will be discussed in next video. Thank you.